Actually, this helmet belongs to me.
So right now we are in Mon district, and now where are we going, bro?
I'm planning for Dimapur trip tomorrow. Yeah.
So bro is going to tomorrow, and so guys do a volunteer. He's gonna ride alone, and
Solo ride. I'm going for a solo ride, and I will be exploring Dimapur.
all right, bro. And any special guests tomorrow?
I have one of my friend. His name is Tayum.
Hmm.
He has a YouTube channel. He newly opened it, so I'm gonna collab with him.
What was his name?
Tayum.
Dayom.
Yeah.
All right, Dayom. Hello, bro. I hope you guys enjoy, and so all the very best for you guys.
This is my helmet. How is it? My new helmet.
And one guy is jealous, about the wearing helmet. Na? Who is that guy you wanna see?
Here it goes. Actually, this helmet belongs to me.
Hey, that was Tang's robe, not Tang's sleep.
That's not my helmet.
This helmet, this helmet is not mine. His brother Wang Len.
I have a message for Bert Taeyong. Mo pagi đó là điều đây.
Yay! Seriously, I'm type Pagiluna. If one of my Pagiluna is related, I love to derai to go since zero type pusha alopaz. And then, we Colgate. Yeah, halat deck, bro. Yeah, halat Colgate ka halat.
Life.